परागृक्तमपूर्णं वा अक्षरं यत्तद् ओमिति यत्किञ्चिदोमिति ब्रूया तेन ऋचेत वै पुमान् भिक्षवे सर्वम् ओं कोर्वं नालं कामेन चात्मने. The utterance of the word Om signifies separation of monetary assets. Another word, by uttering this word, one becomes free from attachment to money because his money is taken away from him. To be without money is not very satisfactory, for in that position one cannot fulfill one's desires. In other words, by using the word Om, one becomes poverty stricken, especially when one gives charity to the poor man or beggar, one remains unfulfilled in self-realization and in sense gratification. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. So welcome everybody to the Bhagavatam class. This is coming an instance of Shukracharya speaking something actually right, but not right for this present position. As such, he is telling right, but it's not right for the present position. He is saying, शुक्राचार्य जी क्या बोल रहे हैं? देखो, गरीब को दान नहीं देना चाहिए और अपनी सारी संपत्ति गरीब को दे के कंगाल होना ये ठीक नहीं है. झूठ बोल दो गरीब को, मेरे पास जो था दे दिया. ये वेद में लिखा है, ठीक है? ही इज नॉट कोटिंग रॉन्ग, बट व्हाट ही हैज फॉरगॉटन इज दैट गरीब नहीं खड़ा, आगे भगवान खड़े हैं और भगवान की कैलकुलेशन अलग होती है. भगवान को आत्मनिवेदनम, टू ऑफर एवरीथिंग टू द लॉर्ड, ठीक है, लेकिन गरीब को आत्मनिवेदनम गलत है. सो दिस इज समटाइम्स सरप्राइजिंग, वेरी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग कि something else has been recommended in the Vedas for us. And now I'd like to show you something which I have collected. कुछ और चीज वेद में रिकमेंड हुई है. And the recommendation what Shastras know is generally public knows is totally different. Here it is. अगर ये this was true कि आजकल सबसे बड़ा काम क्या होता है? गरीब को चैरिटी देना. Recently there is one big person in India, I think Ajib Premji. He announced that 85% of his wealth shares he is giving in charity. And every newspaper has it in the front line में, सब न्यूज़ में लगा दिया कितना लाख करोड़ रुपया वो गरीबों को दान करेगा. पुण्य काम है, हमको इसमें वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि बुरा काम है, अच्छा काम है. अपना मेहनत का कमाई संपत्ति दूसरे के लिए देना आसान नहीं है, ठीक है. लेकिन गीता में इसके बारे में कृष्ण जी क्या लिखते हैं? Let us see. So I want to take this because this is Gita comes in 4 levels. First thing, most interesting, कि गीता के अंत में कृष्ण जी पूरा गीता बताने के बाद बोलते हैं कि सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कार्य क्या है. कृष्ण says, and he says, कौन सबसे मेरे प्रिय होगा? So कृष्ण जी, what did he say? He says, न तस्माद् मनुष्येषु कश्चित् मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्माद् अन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि. He said, there is no servant in this world more dear to me than he, nor will there be one more dear. दुनिया में ऐसा कोई मेरा सेवक नहीं है जो मेरे को इससे डियर होगा, ऐसा कोई नहीं है. न च तस्माद् मनुष्येषु कश्चित् मे प्रियकृतमः, इससे प्रिय मेरा कोई सेवक नहीं है. कौन? जो ये मैसेज, इसका पहले श्लोक के कृष्ण जी बोलते हैं कि ये मैसेज तुम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो, और जो ये काम करेगा इससे प्रिय मेरा कोई भक्त नहीं है। सो कृष्ण जी सबको सबसे प्रिय कौन बोले? जो गीता का मैसेज दूसरे आदमी को देता है, दान देने वाले को नहीं। तो दान देने का तो जिक्र ही नहीं हुआ है भगवत गीता में, हुआ है लेकिन उसकी स्थिति समझिए। दिस इज अ सिचुएशन, what level Krishna puts it, let us understand. In the 12th chapter, 8th shloka, Krishna says कि highest thing is तुम अपना मन मेरे में ध्यान लगा दो। जैसे भगवान का नाम जप करना और उसमें ध्यान लगाना is the greatest thing. There is nothing greater than that. Nothing greater than what? To hear the name of Krishna and to be absorbed in it. That is the greatest thing. मयि एव मन आदस्व मयि बुद्धि निवेशय निवशस्यसि मयि एव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः. Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me. Thus you live in me always without a doubt. Surprising, this is the highest. Generally in society, charity is the highest. Correct? But Krishna is not saying that. Krishna is saying, what is the highest thing? Nata tasmad manusheshu kashit me priya kritamaha bhavita nacha me tasmad anya priyataro bhavi. The greatest is the person who is spreading the message. So then, if you make people chant Hare Krishna, लोगों को बोलो Hare Krishna नाम जप करो, भगवत गीता किसी को दो पढ़ो, उससे प्रिय आपके लिए कोई नहीं है, कृष्ण के लिए कोई नहीं है. That is the greatest. He become dearest to Krishna. Krishna is declaring nobody is dearer than that. ठीक है ना? In whole humanity, neither in the past nor in the future, maybe Abhi he is more dear, later somebody won't be more dear. No. Past, present, future, nobody will be more dear. ठीक है ना? ठीक है? Then Krishna says the highest thing is, who is highest thing? To be dear? To be absorbed in Krishna. Just fix your mind on Krishna, you become the dearest personality. ठीक है? And engage all your intelligence in me, thus you live in me always without a doubt. That's the highest. To be absorbed in Krishna. So to chant Hare Krishna and to hear attentively, you become dearest to Krishna. भगवान का नाम जप करो, ध्यान से सुनो, इससे प्रिय कोई काम नहीं है. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट लेवल. कृष्ण से अथ चित्तम समाधातुम, नहीं हो सकता अर्जुना, कोशिश करो, समाधि में नहीं आ सकते. व्हाट यू डू? न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम, तुम्हारा मन स्थिर नहीं है, अस्थिर है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू. अभ्यास योगेन ततो, डू साधना भक्ति. यस्टरडे वी डिस्कस साधना भक्ति. अभ्यास करो. प्रेम भक्ति, रागानुगा भक्ति के 9 भाग हैं, साधना भक्ति एक है खाली. 10 तरह का भक्ति होता है. Sadhana bhakti is one kind. Yesterday we discussed. So if you are not able to fix your mind upon me by the 9 varieties of Raganuga Prema Bhakti, then fix your mind on sadhana. Sadhana to karo. So that is dear to Krishna. So dearest person to Krishna is a Acharya, pure devotee, who is always absorbed in Krishna. He is dearest. And what is the next level? जो साधना कर रहा है. तो चलो वो नहीं कर सकते तो साधना तो करो. ठीक है. अभ्यास अपि असमर्थो ऐसी, अरे वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा, साधना भी नहीं हो पा रहा. मत कर्म परमो भवा, मत कर्म करो, मेरे को मेरी सेवा करो. अरे तुम भगवान की साधना नहीं कर पा रहे तो मेरा मूवमेंट तो इस दुनिया में चल रहा है, उसके लिए कुछ मदद करो. इफ यू कैन नॉट प्रैक्टिस द रेगुलेशन द भक्ति योगा, देन जस्ट ट्राई टू वर्क फॉर मी. Because I'm working for me, you will come to the perfect situation. So you're not able to do sadhana. So what you should do? You work for me. Because Prabhupada explains the purport. So much work is going to spread the mission of the Lord Chaitanya. You can assist in some way. Some way you can assist. Okay. So if first thing is what? To be absorbed in Krishna. Charity to aaya nahi abhi bhi. Next, number 2, sadhana. Number 3, you cannot do sadhana, what you should do? Try to help the mission. And you cannot do that. Then comes here. This is the fourth one. Yes. How come I fix? You cannot fix your mind upon it. You cannot fix Sakti Yoga. Okay, and then the fourth. Yes. The shloka is not 18.69, that will be 12.11. अतएदपि असक्तो असि कर्तुं मदयोगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्म फल त्यागम तथा कुरु यथा आत्मवान. If however you are unable to work in this conscious of me, then try to act giving up all the results of your work and try to be self-situated. Okay, you cannot be absorbed in me. You cannot do sadhana bhakti. You are not even able to help my mission. Prabhupada said this may happen because of certain situations. Just like you are in a particular religion, particular situation, you cannot directly help this ISKCON for some reason. Correct? You're not able to do. Sarva karma phala tyaga. All the work is the result of that for some good cause. It is at the fourth level. Sarva karma phala tyaga. Phala tyaga without connecting to the Lord is the fourth category. चौथा कैटेगरी में आ गया. तो जनरली लोग दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा दानी है यार, लोगों को मदद करता है ना. कृष्ण जी उसको चौथा कैटेगरी दे रहे हैं, पहला नहीं. इसके नीचे भी है, ये भी नहीं कर सकते. चलो थोड़ा नॉलेज कल्टिवेट करो, करके लिस्ट है. सो सी हाउ वेयर इट इज सिचुएटेड. बट व्हाई इट इज सो, द रीजन इज दिस, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी क्लियर. वी आर नॉट द बॉडी, वी आर सोल. इट इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर in the Vedas. So help to the body and help to the soul. Which is more important? Help to the soul. So all the charitable activities which we are talking are actually limited to the body. And just by making the body comfortable, you cannot be happy. That is the mistake of the modern civilization. All the industry, all the engineers, what is their target? To make people body comfortable. To make life of the people comfortable. By making people life comfortable, nobody has ever become happy. This is a mistake. People will only become happy when the soul is made comfortable. And soul is made comfortable when you connect it to the Lord. That's called yoga. When you connect soul to the God, that is will make the soul happy. But this yoga is also misunderstood. People, without even knowing yoga is to concentrate on the Lord or focus on the Lord, they do yoga for some physical health only. Meaningless. So this is where the things are situated, and Krishna is very clear. Therefore, many times Prabhupada used to explain this point. When Prabhupada was trying to spread his movement, don't you think many people would have come, Swamiji, what are you doing? Like we get advice. I remember the day I was joining the movement, I went to my boss in Infosys. One man was a project leader, and I told him I'm joining ISKCON. So what does ISKCON do? Do they do some social service? I said, no, they don't do that. Then it is useless. I said, how come it is useless? अगर आप सोशल सर्विस लोग पूछते हैं क्या करते हैं हम लोग, वो नहीं करते. तुम तो बकवास हो तुम लोग. तो क्या करता हूँ, हरिनाम संकीर्तन करते हैं. वी डू हरिनाम संकीर्तन, मेक पीपल चैंट एंड डांस इन हरे कृष्ण. इसका क्या फायदा है? बिकॉज पीपल हैव नो एक्सेस. Because they have not received the mercy of a pure devotee. उनको कोई मालूम नहीं भक्ति का रस क्या है. ब्रह्मांड भ्रमिते कोनो भाग्यवान जी. Very rarely somebody can get mercy of Krishna because they have not received mercy of Krishna. They don't know what we are talking. है ना? They don't know what we are talking. They don't know. ये लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग. ठीक है, करो. फोर्थ लेवल में उसको फर्स्ट नहीं बोलो. लेकिन just like they written मानव सेवा माधव सेवा, वो सब बकवास नहीं लिखो. माधव सेवा इज मानव सेवा, नॉट रिवर्स. माधव की अगर सेवा करोगे तो एवरीबडी विल बी सेटिस्फाइड. दैट इज गिवन इन द शास्त्र. भुंजते तो दैट यथा तरोर मूल निषेचनेन त्रिप्रंति सस्कंज भुजोपशाखा प्राणा उपहारा च यथेन्द्रियाना तथैव सर अरणम अत्युतेज्या. If you give water to the root of the tree, automatically goes to all the branches and leaves. But when you satisfy Vishnu, automatically everybody is satisfied. Now you say you want to satisfy other living entities. That is the purpose of your so-called charity. There are trillions and trillions of living entities. Sir, you will never be complete. And what they so-called humanitarianism, they kill the animals. The Prabhupada said it's not complete. You just focus to satisfy Krishna, automatically everybody is satisfied. Just like Arjuna was thinking, let me take care of my relatives, let me take care of my grandfather, let me take care of my teacher. What about so many women and husband will killed? He was thinking of satisfying so many living entities. है ना? अर्जुन ये सोच रहा था, मैं गुरु को कैसे खुश करूँगा, टीचर को कैसे खुश करूँगा, सारे रिश्तेदारों को खुश करना है, और मेरे को लाखों करोड़ों जो औरतें हैं जिनके हस्बैंड मर जाएंगे उनको खुश करना है, इसलिए मैं युद्ध नहीं करूँगा. और गीता सुनने के बाद क्या समझ आया? कृष्ण को खुश कर दो, बाकी ऑटोमेटिकली सब ठीक हो जाएगा. तो सिमिलरली हमारा लक्ष्य जीवन का ऐसा रहना चाहिए एवरी डे, लेट द डीटीज, वी आर एट द शेल्टर ऑफ आचार्य. मंदिर में मतलब क्या? एक आचार्य और वगैरह की शरण में रह रहे हैं, उनको खुश करना है बस. अगर वो हो जाएगा, मैं भी संतुष्ट हो जाऊंगा, पूरी दुनिया भी संतुष्ट हो जाएगी और मेरी इंद्रियां भी शांत हो जाएंगी. लेकिन अगर इनको भूल गए तो इंद्रियां व्याकुल हो जाएंगी, फिर संतुष्टि नहीं मिलेगी. ठीक है, तो समाज में संतुष्टि के जो तरीके हैं एक्चुअली गलत दिए हुए हैं. अज्ञानी है, मूर्ख है, लोगों को कुछ मालूम नहीं. So people do not know, and therefore they make highest as social charity in the society everywhere. Highest is such a nice person. Prabhupada says actually the first symptom of a fall down, a person from spiritual life, is he becomes very attracted to social welfare activity. It is a symptom of actually fall down. Yoga bhrasht. In any yoga it may be. Many we see swamis, many spiritual organizations very interested in social welfare activities. It's actually a sign of fall down, isn't it? We are so less. Prabhupada asked this question many times. Don't you think it would have been asked? Why don't you take up to social welfare activity? Prabhupada said no. He did not divert his energy. है ना? Prabhupada could have done that any part of the world. Prabhupada, यार take care of गरीबों का ध्यान रखना इधर, इनको कुछ पढ़ाई लिखाई करा देना. Prabhupada said no. People don't understand this. Many times people feel if you give food to the poor, that's the greatest thing we can do. We're not saying you cannot do, but sadhu should not focus their energy. That is for others. Do that. That's a punya. That's a punya. Do punya karma, no problem. Better than doing papa karma. But we are not going to waste our time on that. Our time will be focused on spreading Krishna consciousness. True, we distribute prasadam, but it should be distributed with the holy name. We are just like we are daily going Nama Sankirtana, we distribute books, we also give prasadam. Wo tarika hai. In that people will make tangible spiritual return. Just giving prasadam, Prabhupada said, is really useless. The effect is good, but it will not be much. First thing, it has to be prepared with devotion, it has to be offered as devotion, it is distributed devotion and accepted as devotion. If these four elements are not there, even prasadam distribution will not be very effective. Isn't it? Because it has to be taken with respect. And then if it is combined with chanting of the holy names of the Lord with some message of Krishna consciousness, then it will actually be effective. And that's how we became devotees. Correct? You just think about us. Had we just been there someplace, somebody gives something, doesn't even tell it is prasadam, thoda kha lo, kuch acha hai, thoda sweet hai, and I eat. Theek hai, good it is. But the Kali Yuga, the process of Harinama has taken primary importance. Without combining with Harinama, anything is useless. Even you do so much worship to the Lord, Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki, correct? You see generally all the main artis, they are always combined with Harinama Sankirtana. Sometimes we do have yagnas also. Diksha ke liye yagna hota hai. Usko Harinam se combine karte hain, it becomes auspicious. So when we combine the Harinama, even prasadam distribution becomes effective. Because nothing, without Harinama, nothing works out. There is no life. Harinama is the life for Kali Yuga. Combine with Harinama and distribute prasadam, not just food, distribute prasadam. It will be very, very effective. Otherwise, it will be just like this woman with the bird will die. You are proper say somebody is drowning, you save his clothes, what is the use? The person has drowned. So this is a big revolution for the society. If you're going to speak this, I don't think many people will be able to understand. People's focus is social welfare today. And totally, because they are Shudras. Shudra means no idea about soul. Vaishya have little idea, Kshatriya more, Brahmana is totally realized. Brahma janati iti brahmana, who is the understood spirit. Brahmana will not waste time in social work. You don't see ever them doing that. Their work has been given patan patan yajana yajana dana pratigraha. The work has been given to study Shastra, teach Shastra, to worship the Lord, engage others in worshipping the Lord, and to accept in charity and distribute back in charity. Correct? That are the works they have done. So they may give gifts of grain to the Brahmana, they'll give back to society. Name of Prasada. Okay? And combined with Harinama in Kali Yuga, it will actually be effective to bring people to Krishna consciousness. So Krishna is very clear here what is most important, and we should also focus on it. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.